In today's video, I'll show you how to close a task in Clickup in just a few steps. First, log into your Clickup account and thus at clickup.com using your email and password. Once inside, head to your workspace and open your team space where your tasks are listed. Now, scroll through your task list and click on the task you want to close. This opens the task details. Look for the status section. This shows whether a task is open, in progress, under review, or more. To close the task, simply change the status to complete. You'll see a green check mark appear, confirming the task is finished. That's it. Your task is now officially closed. Regularly closing tasks keeps your workspace organized, your team aligned, and your projects moving forward smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ClickUp tips.